Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how can you use your iPad as a studying material, or if you want to use your iPad for studying, then you're watching the right video. I'll guide you how can you use it. First of all, the main purpose of using iPad for studying is note making. So if you want to use your iPad for note making, guys, so there are lots of application available on App Store, but you can use one of the most useful application and one of the most optimized application for not taking. So I personally use this application, and this application is from the Microsoft, and which is a note app. So I don't know what the exactly name of it. So I think it's a one note application. So just pardon me if I say if I said wrong. So this is an application, guys, where you can manage your notes and you can create folders for your particular notes, or the group of pages you can arrange into a sets. And also, guys, there are lots of options available in this application. Like if you want to write, there are multiple color options available, and also it has light highlighter as well as some unique pens colors. Like you can see that it has unique pens with some textures as well. Also, if you want to change the view of your page, you can change it, and you can increase the width of your lines on the pages. You can also take the page with no lines, and as well as you can choose pens. You can choose the pages with these boxes. Like if you have studied in the earlier classes, you must have used these pages for the mathematics. So now let me show you how can you use it for your studying material. First of all, guys, if you are using iPad, you must have this stylus, a pencil. So right now I've been using this alternative option from the King one, but if you want to use the Apple Pencil, you can go for it. But if you have low budget, then you can go for this pencil as well. I've been using this pencil for 7 months, and I'm getting the greatest experience of using it. So guys, first of all, now let me show you how can you use it. Right now I was earlier using iPad for solving this simple mathematic equation. So let me give you the overview of using it. Let me show you how it works. Let me solve simple equation here. Like if I have an equation like x plus y equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 6, let me solve this equation, and you will get the idea how smooth it is. So basically, if I solve this question, guys, just believe me, I have been experiencing some different, like it is better than real pencil and page paper. So now you can see that how smooth it is. And if you want to take notes in college or school, you can also take while having the lectures or the classes. It's completely, guys, compatible with your it's completely compatible for all the students, and you won't feel any uncomfortableness or anything. Like, and if you and there are also multiple options available on this guys iPad if you want to use it for the studying purpose. Like there are some to-do list like application, like where you can set your targets or set your goals in your iPad as well as. So yeah, there are lots of, guys, useful application you can use for studying in iPad. So it's a complete, and it's a, guys, amazing I would say gadget for studying if you are a student. And I just got this iPad at 26,000 around in a sale. But many of the students or many of the people got this iPad at 21,000, guys, and it was a great deal. So I didn't use my credit card, but you can use it if you have. And right now I'll recommend you to go for the 10th generation instead of 9th generation. Right now I have been using this 9th generation, but 10th generation can be also purchased around 30 or 32,000, and that is a, guys, great option rather than this, because it's a 1 year older. So I hope you get it. Subscribe for more video, guys. I hope you like the video. Till then, bye bye.